Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about exercise 4.3 third main. This is the third part of exercise 4.3. So I am going to start the third main. The heading of the third main is solve the following, and total 5 equations are given: A, B, C, D, E, and I gave D as a homework, and I will solve 4 equations for you. Here the equations look quite different because this time the variable is placed on the RHS instead of LHS. Okay, so for what equations we solve, no, in all those equations LHS was present at the variable was present at the LHS. Okay, but this time variable, that is P, in this case P is on the RHS, in this case again P is on the RHS, here T is on the RHS, here M is on the RHS instead of LHS. So in this case we should not worry too much. The easy way is to reverse the equations. Means if we change LHS and RHS at the same time, then we should not change any sign. Remember, LHS ಮತ್ತು RHS ಅನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ದು ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. We are moving LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. In this case there will be no change in sign, no change in variable, anything. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. LHS RHS ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, RHS LHS ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. Okay, so we will do that. Solution: here I need to find the value of P for which this equation satisfies. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು LHS ಒಳಗೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5 ಇಂಟು P ಮೈನಸ್ 2. ಈಗಿನ LHSಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು RHSಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು LHS ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ 4 ಟು RHS. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ನೋ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ 5 ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್. ನೋ, ಓಕೆ, ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ 5 ವಾಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ, divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. And this 5 will get cancelled. What remains? P minus 2 remains, is equal to 4 by 5. Am I right? Now by transposing method, what I can do? By transposing method I can transfer this minus 2 from LHS to RHS. Remember, here if we are completely exchanging LHS and RHS, then there will be no changes in the sign. If we are moving any one number or one term from the LHS to RHS, then the value changes. Instead of moving, if I move P minus 2 to the RHS and 4 by 5 to the LHS, then there will be no changes in the sign. But what I am doing, I am keeping 4 by 5 at its place and I am keeping P at its place. Only I am moving minus 2 from LHS to RHS. Then in this case it will become plus 2. Transposing minus 2 to RHS. Okay, minus 2 to RHS. Next what it will become? P 4 by 5. This minus 2 will go to the RHS, it will become plus 2. 2 means what? It has a denominator 1. Now to add these two fractions, denominators are different. No, here it is 5, here it is 1. Therefore I need to multiply 5 here. Then it will become 4 by 5 plus 10 by 5. 5 5 both are same, no? So directly 5. 4 plus 10 will become 14. So your answer is P equal to 14 by 5 is the solution of this equation. Okay, similarly we'll move to second problem. Solution. Okay, once again same problem is in front of us. Variable is on the RHS. Just exchange the LHS and RHS. First write the question. Exchange -4 will go here and there will be no change in the sign. Okay, now to remove this 5, divide both sides by 5. Okay, so what will be 5 P minus 2 this 5 will get cancelled. What remains? P minus 2 will remain, and here minus 4 by 5. Now by transposing minus 2 to the RHS, transposing minus 2 to RHS, so P is equal to minus 4 by 5. If this minus 2 go to the RHS, it will become plus 2. Now you look, minus 4 by 5 and 2 means what? 2 by 1, no? Here denominator are different, therefore I need to multiply 5 here, so it will become minus 4 by 5 plus 10 by 5. Therefore P is equal to, both denominators are same, therefore I will take 5 minus 4 plus 10. Minus 4 plus 10, both are having different sign, no? In this case I need to subtract. 10 minus 4 will give you 6 and greater number sign, plus 6 by 5 is the answer. Both equation look similar, first one and the second one, but the only difference is it is minus 4 here, it is a plus 4 here. RHS are same, but LHS are different. Minus 4 here, it is a plus 4, therefore answer also different. Here 14 by 5, here it is a plus 6 by 5. Okay, see question. Again in the LHS constant is there, on the RHS variable is there. I need to find the value of t. So what I will do, I will exchange the LHS with RHS. I will write this in the LHS. Okay, and there is no change in the sign or anything. Plus 16 remains plus 16, plus 4 plus 3 into t plus 2 remains same as it is, because I am exchanging both, no? ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಸೈನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟಿ. If I want t, I need to find t plus 2. If I want t plus 2, I need to find 3 into t plus 2. So first I need to remove this 4. So how I can remove this? By transposing plus 4 to the RHS. Transposing plus 4 to RHS. Therefore it will become, what remains here? Plus 3 t plus 2 remains, and 16, this plus 4 will go to the RHS, it will become minus 4. Therefore 3 into t plus 2, 16 minus 4 will give you 12, right? Now how to remove this 3? Dividing both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. 3 into t plus 2 is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 3. 3 will get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. And what remains? Here t plus 2 remains. T plus 2 remains. Here 4 remains. And how to get t? By transposing this plus 2 to the RHS. Therefore t is equal to, if you transpose this plus 2 to the RHS, it will become minus 2. Plus 2 ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. t is equal to 4 minus 2 will give you t is equal to 2. Right? Okay, very simple. Now you can observe here. On the LHS it is 0. On the RHS it is having variable. Again you can reverse this solution. Write this RHS in place of LHS. 16 plus 4 6 is equal to 0. Right? So in between addition is there, no, therefore I can transpose this, no. Transposing plus 16 to the RHS, it will become what? Minus 16, no. So what remains here? 4m minus 6 remains in this place. 0 is at its place. By transposing plus 16 to the RHS, it will become minus 16. No need to write every time sentence. Okay, dividing by 3, transposing to the RHS. If you want, you can write, otherwise you can leave. Initial stage you can write to remember the steps, like this, transposing minus 2 to the RHS. You can write like this, or if you want to continue this procedure, you can continue, but actually not needed. We can imagine, no, here 4m minus 6 remains, 0 at its place. By transposing plus 16 to the RHS, it will become minus 16. So 4m minus 6, 4 into m minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 16 will give you minus 16 only. Remember, if you add or subtract any number with 0, same number repeats. Okay. Now dividing both sides by 4, because I need to remove this 4. So what I will do, 4m minus 6 is equal to minus 16 divided by 4 divided by 4. So 4 will get cancelled here. 4 1s are 4 4s are. Okay, so what remains? m minus 6 remains. M minus 6 remains. Both 4s are cancelled. Equal sign, minus divided by plus will give you minus, and this 4. So m minus 6 equal to minus 4. Now I want this m. So m remains in the LHS. I am transposing this minus 6 to the RHS, and minus 4 is at the RHS. I am transposing which number? Minus 6 from LHS to RHS. So its sign will become plus 6. By transposing minus 6 to the RHS, it will become plus 6. Next, minus 4 plus 6, both signs are different, no, subtraction. 6 minus 4 will give you 2 and a greater number sign. So your answer is m equal to plus 2. M equal to plus 2. Okay, good. Likewise you need to do, and take D as a homework. Okay, D as a homework, D question as a homework. Now let's come to the fourth main, that is the last main of exercise 4.3. Here actually 2 questions are there. A question I am going to solve, you can take B as a homework. In A question, the heading is construct 3 equations starting with x equal to 2. Means here you need to make the questions from, it is x equal to 2 is the solution. From solution you need to make equations. Okay, I will solve you. So far what you did, so far equations are provided to you, and you calculated the solution. Equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ. t equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? m equal to plus 2 ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಈಗೇನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ x equal to 2 ಅಂತ, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 3 ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3 ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ x equal to ನ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x equal to 2 only by following the rules. Okay, you should not leave the rules. ರೂಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಿಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. x equal to 2, ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, 2ನ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2ನ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಒಳಗದಲ್ಲ 2 ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದ. 2ನ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, -2 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ RHS, I am not moving the LHS, therefore LHS sign remains same, and RHS I am transposing RHS from here to here, LHS no, therefore its sign will become -2, and what remains in the RHS, 0. This is the first equation. Second, once you got this, how to get the second equation? By adding any number, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ, ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ -3 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, x -2 = 0 ಅದ, ರೈಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ -3 on both sides. Here also -3. What you are doing on the LHS, that same thing you have to do on the RHS, -3. So x -2 -3 will become what? X -5 ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಉಳಿತು. 0 - 3 ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು -3. ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಈಗ ಈ ಸಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಗೇನ್ x -2 = 0 ಅದ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ -5 ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ -7, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ -6, you can add plus numbers also, positive numbers also, whatever you want you can add, but you should add the same number on both sides to get a different forms. This time I will add -8, x -2 = 0 da. What I will do, I will add -8 on both sides. X -2 -8 will become -10, no? 0 - 8 will give you -8. So this is the third equation. That's it. You are changing this form into this form. From this form you got this, again from this form you got this. So you can create a n number of equations. N number of equations means you can make a unlimited or uncountable number of ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು, ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, x = 2ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, you will get the answer 2 only, but the form is different. This is one type of form, this is another form. Still you can calculate, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್, ಐ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 3 equations with x = 2. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ದ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಸಿ ಯು ಅಗೇನ್ in a next exercise, that is exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4 consists of verbal problems. So I am going to deal exercise 4.4 in next class. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye.